Jew means the desire or direct connection with the Creator. Yehudi is about unity. It's what the followers of Abraham, who only taught this, were called eventually. Those desires seeking unity. The physical religious definition of Jew is not the definition. That is a cultural, traditional, and historical appellation of people who used to be connected to the wisdom of Kabbalah. And some of Kabbalah is embedded and makes up the structure of some religious rules in Judaism, in Christianity, and in Islam as well. But that doesn't mean that it's something that you can inherit. You can't inherit it. You have to attain it. You have to take what you received in your tradition, and you have to go to its root, which is an intentional root. Israel is Yashar-Kel. It is Yis-Ra-El. The desire for direct connection with the Creator. Any part of the single creature can have that awakened in it, and if one is seeking that and is taking steps in order to fulfill it, that's what Kabbalah calls a Jew. You can have a room full of people who, by their lineage or something, have that name, but that doesn't mean that they're engaged in that process. They're not excluded in any way from it, but that's not what Jew means. The original followers of Abraham were the original United Nations. They were not one family. They came from what's called 70 nations. They were all people with this desire for direct connection with the Creator, who followed what Abraham taught them in terms of how to reach it. And they're representative of all of humanity. They only became a nation when they were forced to sort of separate and then unite. It's your development, and anybody can develop.